Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot sauce ketchup. Let's dive right into the simple steps for creating your own flavorful condiment. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, half a pound of your favorite chili peppers, and 1 medium sweet onion. Don't forget 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and a few essential spices like paprika and cumin. This combination forms the delicious base for our homemade hot sauce ketchup. Once your ingredients are prepped, the cooking begins. First, finely chop your 2 pounds of tomatoes, half pound of chilies, and 1 onion. Next, in a large pot, sauté the chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they are translucent. Then, add the chopped tomatoes and chili peppers to the pot, stirring everything together thoroughly. This initial simmer will start to break down the vegetables, releasing their wonderful flavors. Now let's get that sauce simmering. Add your 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and all your spices to the pot. Let it gently simmer for at least 30 minutes, or until the mixture significantly thickens. After cooling slightly, carefully blend the sauce until it is completely smooth. For an extra silky texture, push the blended sauce through a fine mesh sieve, removing any seeds or skins. The final step is all about perfecting your creation. Taste your hot sauce ketchup and adjust the salt, sweetness from the brown sugar, or the heat level with a pinch more chili powder if needed. Once you are satisfied, carefully pour the warm sauce into sterilized bottles or jars. Allow it to cool completely before sealing. Your delicious homemade hot sauce ketchup will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready to elevate any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.